This is the apparatus for pressure measurement using strain gauge. You can see that this is the pressure gauge assembly. Here this is the lubricant in the acrylic block. This is the strain gauge assembly. This is the manual pressure gauge. This is the handle for rotating and to create the pressure in the block, and this is the electronic assembly to measure and calibrate the strain gauge pressure according to this gauge. So initially you can see that the pressure is 0, and if this value is not be 0, then you have to set this 0 by this P1 port, and after that rotating this clockwise, you will you will take this needle on 10 bar and set the maximum reading through this P2 on the display, that is the 10. This system is calibrated, and you can see that I will set the pressure according to 1. This value is 1. Consider this is 2, this is 4, and this is 6, this is 8, and this is 10 bar pressure. You can see that this is the analog pressure and this is the electronic pressure. We calibrate this strain gauge pressure according to the analog pressure gauge, and you can check also in reverse panel. 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0. When you done the experiment, release the pressure and switch off the apparatus. Thank you.